हेलो दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू ऑल। मेरा नाम अमित है एंड आज से मैं ये चैनल शुरू कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पर कि हम लोग समझेंगे मैथ्स को कैसे सिंपल वे में हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो आज का जो वीडियो है वो है एडिशन पर। और वैसे तो एडिशन सभी को मालूम है कि कैसे एडिशन किया जाता है, क्योंकि बेसिक्स में तो यही समझाते हैं। लेकिन हम देखेंगे कि कैसे इसे और इजी कर सकते हैं और कैसे कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि कुछ बड़े डिजिट के नंबर्स होते हैं जिनको सॉल्व कर पाना, जब तक पेपर और पेंसिल सामने ना हो उसे सॉल्व कर पाना मुश्किल होता है, या फिर जब तक कैलकुलेटर ना हो। तो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि कैसे विदाउट पेपर एंड पेंसिल हम उसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। 2 डिजिट, 3 डिजिट, 4 डिजिट। तो ट्रिक्स मैं यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ, अगर आप वो फॉलो करोगे देन यू विल डेफिनेटली फाइंड यू नो the improvement in solving these additions. Okay, so we'll start, but there is one thing मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि जो भी ट्रिक्स मैं बता रहा हूँ, वैसे तो इंटरनेट पे आपको और भी चैनल्स पे मिल जाएंगे। ओके, बट दीज ट्रिक्स और आपने ऐसा भी देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे इंटरनेट पे ऐसे वीडियोस रहेंगे जहाँ पर आपने देखा होगा कि बच्चे जो हैं बहुत इजीली एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन सॉल्व कर पाते हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो ट्रिक्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, दे आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग द सेम ट्रिक ओनली है। ऐसा कुछ वहाँ पर कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं बताते हैं। थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस हो सकता है, लेकिन मैथ्स में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो ट्रिक्स आप देख रहे हो उनकी आप प्रैक्टिस करो। तो जो भी ट्रिक्स यहाँ पर आप देखोगे, आप उन ट्रिक्स से का प्रैक्टिस करोगे एडिशन को, कोई भी नंबर्स के एडिशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, तब वो धीरे धीरे आप भी वैसे ही फ्लुएंट हो जाओगे। आपके सामने कोई भी नंबर का एडिशन होगा, आप उसको इजीली कर पाओगे। ठीक है, so let's go to this trick, these tricks, what these tricks are, how easily we can do these additions. And so let's jump into it. So we are going to start with very basics. Okay, so those who are in a higher standards, they may all already be aware of all this. Okay, but those who are starting in second and third, and or fourth standard, and find problems in solving these additions, it will really be helpful. So वैसे तो मैं यहाँ पर आगे की भी वीडियोस में आप देखोगे कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो होगी वो 2 डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन पे होगी, फिर 3 डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फिर डिवीजन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, ये सब वीडियोस, ये सब पे तो वीडियोस आएंगी ही। साथ ही साथ मैं क्लास 9th स्टैंडर्ड के कुछ वीडियोस डालने वाला हूँ, सेंट्रल सीबीएसई बोर्ड के। तो वो भी मैं साथ ही साथ करूंगा, एंड होपफुली यू गाइस विल बी एबल टू सी दोज videos very soon. So let us first start with the addition. So let's take a very simple example. Okay, मान लीजिए आपके पास दो नंबर है 10। आपको दो नंबर का एडिशन करना है विच इज 10 एंड 10, 10 plus 10. Okay, now it is very simple that we know कि 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, but how, if you see what we have here in units place, here in both the digits. Okay, in both the digits we have 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0, so whichever the we will first add the numbers which is in the units place. तो 0 plus 0 क्या हमने 0 आ गया units place पे. Then we will see what is the number in the tens place. In the tens place we have 1 and 1. Then 1 plus 1, sorry, we have 1 and 1 at the tens place. Okay, so we will add these two numbers and we will get the outcome 20. So like this. So similarly we will take another example. अभी आप मान लो कि आपको ऐड करना है 20 प्लस 20. ओके, तो यूनिट्स प्लेस पे है 0 0, 0 प्लस 0 0. टेंस प्लेस पे है 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 40. Simple. Okay, we don't need to calculate like on fingers. Okay, that after 20 what it is, 21, 22, 23, 24 and all that. Okay, you can simply do like this. Now let's take another example. Let's say the big number, let's say 70. Okay, and then 30, or not 30 for now. Let's take another number, 20. We'll take another number that is 20. Okay, so if you have solved these, the above two, okay, you can easily solve this as well. So once again, what we have in units place, we have 0 and 0. So what will be the outcome? 0, we will get 0 in the units place. What we have in the tens place, we have 7 and 2. So what will get 7 plus 2? 90. Okay, so like this. सो यहाँ पर अभी हम सारे वो डिजिट्स हम लोगों ने ट्राई किए ऐड करने के लिए जिसके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 0 है, राइट, जिसके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 0 है. Now and all these are 2-digit numbers. Okay, now let's talk about a 3-digit number. Okay, we have 3-digit number here like this, 100. Okay, and then plus 100. So what will be the answer? Okay, so now what we have in the units place, we have 0, we have 0, then 0 plus 0 0. What we have in the tens place, again we have in the tens place we have 0, then 0 plus 0, once again we'll get 0 at the tens place. And now at the hundredth place what we have 1. So what will happen? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. 200 will get. Okay, so simply let's add some other numbers. Let's say 500. Okay, 500 plus 400. Okay, so 0 0, so we'll get 0 0 0, so again 0, and then 5 and 4. And what is 5 and 4? 5 plus 4 is 9, so 900. Okay, so at least अभी ये जो है numbers, at least you do not need to count. Okay, like 1 2 3 4. If someone asks, you can simply calculate in your mind. Okay, that what is going to be the answer. Let's say someone says what will be 30 plus 50. Okay, so think about this number in your mind, 30 and then 50. In for both of these numbers, in the units place we have 0, so in the unit place we'll get 0, and we have 3 and 5 at the tens place. So if we'll add 3 and 5, what we'll get? We'll get 8. So what will be the answer? 8 and 0, 80. So 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. So like this you will have to practice. Okay, so this is 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Okay, we saw that how we add. Here we may get some more complicated number. We will quickly try where we'll have to use, we will have to carry some numbers. Okay, so let's take an example of a 2-digit number itself. Let's say the number is 55 plus 55. Okay, now what we have, 5 and 5 in the units place. 5 and 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we'll write 0 here, and the carry will be 1. Carry will be 1. Okay, and now what we have, 5 and 5 once again. 5 plus 5, 10, and then 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1. So it will be 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Again, it's easy, right? So like this we can add, even if it's a bigger number. Let's try once again with another bigger number. Let's try 99 plus 98. Okay, 99 plus 98. So what numbers we have in the units place? We have 9 and 8. So 9 plus 8, what is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, so 17, 1 7. So we will write 7 here, and carry will be 1. Okay, carry will be 1. Now what else we have? 9 and 9. What is 9 plus 9? 9 plus 9 is 18, and then 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1. So what 18 plus 1 is 19. So answer will be 197. So like this, these numbers also, do not need to, open up a notebook, okay, to calculate all this. If you'll just think only in your mind, okay, you will be able to calculate it, but you will have to practice it. Okay, so now we'll take another example of a 3-digit number. Okay, so here, these were the easiest numbers, okay, which we previously calculated. Okay, and we saw that how we calculate. Now let's say the number is like this. Okay, 425 plus 375. Okay, so we always have to add the numbers which is present in the units place. Okay, what number we have? 5 and 5. What we will write here? 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 ka 0 idhar aa gaya. And then carry carry will be 1. Okay, carry will be 1. We will write just above the number present on the tens place. Okay, now what number we have in a tens place? We have 2 and we have 7. 2 plus 7, 9, and 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to again 10. So we will write 0 here, and carry 1 we'll write here. Okay, and now what we have at the hundredth place? We have 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3, 7, and then plus 1. So it will be 800. Okay, so like this, guys, friends, means any numbers, like this, if even if it is a 4-digit number, okay, you don't need to write, you can simply calculate like this. Now here, what you will have to remember in your mind, okay, that when you add, what are the numbers actually present in the units place. Okay, so if the numbers, okay, let's say you remember, okay, there is a 5 and 5, then 5 and 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 10, then 0. So all this you will have to uh, you know uh, remember in your mind, okay, that what are the numbers in the unit place, what are the numbers are coming when you are adding numbers present in a unit place, and then tenth place, what is the number you are carrying, right, on the tens place, on the hundred place. If you and see, this is not going to means it will be difficult at first place, okay, but as I said, maths require practice. As much you will practice, that much it's going to get easier for you, okay. Now for three digit numbers, or for even for two digit numbers, okay, there is one more way that we can add numbers where zero is not present in the units place. Let's say just like these numbers, okay, we do not see these numbers where we have zero in the units place. It is easy to add, it is actually easy to add. But when the numbers are at when one but when there are actual numbers, okay, non-zero numbers are in the units place, okay, bigger numbers are in the units place, it gets little difficult, right? So so for similarly for two digit numbers and for three digit number as well, same thing, right? So we will see here, there is one more way we will see that how we can add these numbers, okay, and that is another easier way to add these numbers. We'll quickly see here, okay. So let's take an example that these two digit numbers you have, okay, same 55 plus 55. Let's say that 55 and 55 you have to add, okay, 55 and 55 you have to add. So how else, what else we can write in place of a 55? Okay, we can write 55 as like this. We can write 50 plus 5, isn't it? We can write 55 like this, 50 plus 5, right? Here also we have the same number 55. How this 55 we can again write just like this, 50 and plus 5, right? Now, so 50 plus 5, 50 plus 5. So actually it is like this, 50 plus 50 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Now if you'll see these two numbers, isn't these two numbers are easy to add, because these, first of all, these are single digit numbers. So single digit numbers are always easy to add, right? Now, if you see these two numbers, now we have got zero in the units place. So, isn't it again easy to add? Just like here, we were seeing all the examples where we had all the numbers. Okay, जहाँ पर की सभी numbers zero थे units place पे, right? तो यहाँ पर सभी जीरो थे, तो दो ये सारे नंबर्स इजी थे ऐड करने के लिए। तो हमने क्या किया है, इन नंबरों को ऐसे तोड़ दिया है, ऐसा ब्रेक किया है कि हमें जीरो मिल जाए यूनिट्स प्लेस पे, क्योंकि उन जो नंबर्स जहां पर यूनिट्स प्लेस पे जीरो होता है वो नंबर्स ऐड करने के लिए इजी होते हैं, राइट? So let's first add these two numbers, 50 plus 50. Let's add these. So we have 0 0 in units place, right? So 0 plus 0, what will be the answer? 0 plus 0 0. We'll write 0 in the units place, and then 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is will be 10. So 50 plus 50 is equal to 100, right? And then we know that what is 5 and 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? Okay. Now, what we have now, once again, we have 0 in the units place, right? So 0 plus 0, so 0 in the units place. What we have, 1 and 0, 1 and 0 in the tens place. So 1 and 0, 1 in the tens place. And what we have in the third hundredths place, okay, we have only 1. There is nothing here, okay, at the hundredth place. We only 1. So simply 110. So this will be the answer, right? So if it is getting difficult, अगर मुश्किल हो रहा है ये दो नंबर को ऐड करने में, so what we can do is we can break like this. Okay, similarly here, see 99 plus 98, okay, 99 plus 98, what we can write, इसको और इजी कैसे बना सकते हैं हम? we can write like 90 plus 9, okay, plus 90 plus 8, राइट। अभी क्या हो जाएगा, 90 और 90 है, जीरो यूनिट्स प्लेस पे जीरो, यहाँ पर ऐसे लिख देते हैं इसको पहले, 90 प्लस 90 प्लस 9 प्लस, ओके, जस्ट अ सेकंड, प्लस 8, okay, so we have 0 in the units place, okay, so हो जाएगा 0, and then we have 9 and 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, so 180, and then plus 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 and 7. So when we'll add, now we'll add this 180 plus 17. So now we have in the units place once again, we have 0 and 7. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Okay, and then what we have in the tens place, we have 1 and 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And what is left at the hundreds place? Only 1. So 197, right? Same answer like this. Okay. You can add here like this as well, or you can let, but this is actually a easier way, okay, to add it, because if numbers are bigger, okay, and you are finding hard time in adding those numbers, then this is the way that uh you can break the numbers first, and you can get the numbers where you have 0 in the units place. So this way it will be easier for you to add the number, right? So this was so like this you can also apply in a 4-digit numbers too, okay. So but you will have to practice this, try practicing it, without writing in a notebook, because means if you want to be very fluent, okay, you want to be very fast when you want to calculate any number, okay, just try calculating everything in your mind only, okay. Means you first of all see if the numbers are bigger, like let's say the number is like this, 425 plus 375, okay, you will find, see, questions will also be all will always be given, okay, question will always be given, okay, if you are going for an exam, okay, in the question paper question will be written. So it is fine that if you write the question in a notebook, okay, and then try to memorize, okay, that what is going to be the answer, okay, without calculating it in a notebook, okay, that way is fine for now, I guess, okay. But as soon as you get well versed, okay, of solving these 2-digit or 3-digit number, and once you feel like, okay, now you can also calculate it without even, but simply by hearing the number, okay, let's say if someone asks, in the middle of somewhere, okay, that what is 425 plus 375, 375, okay, so if you practice it like this, you may not need this notebook, you know to calculate all this. So see, everyone is calculating in a notebook and all, it's fine, okay. But if you will practice it like this, you will start practicing it like this, okay, in the future it is always going to help you, always going to help you. So thank you guys, this was the addition part of my video, okay. This is the very first video of my channel, Hope you guys like it. Okay, if you want to have more such videos like this, okay, I will be bringing more videos like this only. The next video is going to be on a multiplication, okay, where we will see that how we can multiply, two digit, three digit numbers, and then subtraction, division, and then some other concepts as well. Okay, and I'm also going to bring more videos on ninth standard. Okay, so there we'll also see that how questions can be solved easily. So thank you so much for all of your time, and let's meet on another video then. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.